How to make coconut pudding. Coconut pudding with fresh pulp, water from tender coconut, prepared with agar-agar, China grass, milk, condensed milk as main ingredients. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon agar-agar powder, 3/4 cup tender coconut pulp, 1 cup tender coconut water, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup condensed milk, 2 tablespoons sugar. Instructions: 1. First collect tender coconut water from the fresh coconut. Gently scoop the pulp alone without scraping the brown part. 2. Grind tender coconut pulp smoothly in a mixer. 3. Take 1 cup tender coconut water in a heavy-bottomed vessel. 4. Dissolve 1/2 tablespoon, 1½ teaspoon, agar-agar powder in it. 5. Start heating until the agar-agar is dissolved completely and the mixture is hot. 6. In another vessel, heat 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix well until hot. Switch off the flame. 7. Now, add agar-agar mixture, ground tender coconut, and mix. 8. Pour the tender coconut pudding mixture immediately into molds. 9. Let it come to room temperature. Cling wrap to cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. 10. Invert the mold over the serving plate and pat gently to demold the pudding. 11. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.